All right. This is Vaibhav, and I'm the founder of I'm Skills, and I'm going to lead this content writing orientation class for Arvind, Bhushan, Harsha, Ishani, Priyangana. We have Sangeeta, Sanjana, Shiva, Sridhar, and Suhail. Hi to all. Before we guys begin in the chat box, let me say hi to everyone. Please confirm that you're all able to hear my voice loud and clear. You guys can see the screen, and of course, we're recording this class so that we can upload the same that are on YouTube channel. And then let's quickly begin with creating the session agenda part. All right, thank you so much for the acknowledgement. Great, thank you guys. Let me go ahead and talk about the agenda for the session today. In this class today, you're going to understand from me, or you're going to learn from me that how exactly content writing industry works. What are different types of expectations typically brands they keep in their mind while they're hiring you as a person for, let's say, as an employee, or let's say as a freelancer, or even if they're hiring you as a content writing agency. We are also going to understand about various types of objectives businesses fulfill from content writers. And the most important part is how. I am also going to help you guys to learn about 2 sources of income as a content writer you can generate and what are the best practices to achieve those goals. I am also going to talk about the long-term vision with content writing. One myth typically people have is that if they, let's say, participate in a short course for a month or so with an internship, they're going to become a pro in writing as a subject. This information is absolutely not true. I'll help you to understand that how much time it takes to be a pro writer, what are the best practices to follow, and what it takes to be there to get that dream job or earn a, let's say, 6-figure income. Then in the end, I'm going to talk about or give you guys an overview of IM Skills Content Writing Master Program. What is that we have so special here? Why is that people respect IM Skills programs, and how we have helped so far for more than over 5,000 plus individuals achieving their goals around getting a job, 10,000 plus people, those who are running their agencies or running their freelancing career. And then in the end, I am going to go ahead and take your questions so that if in case you have any doubts related to this course, your career, or anything around content writing, you can feel free to ask me those and I'm good to answer. All right. So now let's begin with the session, guys. I hope you are all excited. Let me first and foremost ask a simple question to all. What do you think that if somebody is hiring you as a writer, what they actually achieve from you guys? What are different types of expectations typically brands they keep in their mind while hiring you? Whatever understanding you have, Arvind, Bhushan, Dharini, Ishani, Priyangana, Sangeeta, whatever. Okay, just put that in the chat box. I'll give you guys 30 seconds so that I can know that where exactly you as an audience is, all right? That how much you understand content as a subject. And I'm going to create that part for everyone, that how exactly this industry works. What are the best practices? Why is that people are hiring you? So that you can align yourself, so that you can develop your portfolios like that. So everybody, 30 seconds to all. Why do you think businesses, they hire content writers? Suhail says the quality of writing and the objectives should be understood. Okay, genuine content for Bhushan. Understood. Others, please, in the chat box. Why do you think people hire content writers? To promote their brands, to reach the product to a wider audience, okay, to connect with the audience properly, okay, as per Sanjana. This is nice, very good. Others, please. Attractive, attention-seeking content, okay, Bhushan. Let's understand. There are 3 core objectives for any business to achieve from content writing profiles. Please read them carefully. Sales, that's called online acquisition, lead generation, or brand building. These are 3 core objectives. For any brand, if they're going to hire you as a content writer, they achieve these 3 goals. I'll help you to learn how exactly this works. Online sales companies. Which all types of companies are into online sales model? Amazon, Flipkart, any organization where they're selling products online, services online. Lead generation. Companies like IM Skills, service-based model, wherein we acquire a customer or, first we have a process that you give us your contact details, phone number, email ID, email, just any information that we capture to convert a potential lead. That's called lead generation model. Brand building. Companies, their core objective is that they establish to, they would like to reach out to masses because they're big, large size companies, and they would like to drive that trust. We'll talk about it in the next 5-10 minutes. Let's learn and understand how online sales from content writing person that helps any organization to achieve as a goal. Now, let's say, how do people buy at Amazon? One, you will open a website directly Amazon. Let's say you're looking forward to buy iPhone 11. So what you will do, here you will write iPhone 11. In the search box, you're going to get this. This product page has been designed by somebody, and they are known as web developers, front-end developers. The one who has created the content or written this product description or has created this landing page is a writer's job, correct? Writers, they write these types of contents, and they have millions of products out there. But that's not the way this particular thing works. There are people who Google a subject. Now for Amazon, what is the most important thing? Core objective is to sell the product, right? Now there are people from India, a national fan, 1.8 million people every month, they search for iPhone 11. Understood? How they react when they search? 6 lakh people, 6 lakh some plus people, they click at SEO based results. 3 lakh some 10,000 people click at ads. 50% audience, they don't click anywhere. All right. Now pay attention. This is Amazon. Now Amazon is running ad here. These are shopping based ad. However, these ads, the one who has created this exact copy into 60 characters is a job of a copywriter. The one who has created the advertisement is a job of a digital marketer. The one who has created this picture is a job of an infographic designer. But this particular ad copy, the copywriter plays the most important role. Similarly, 1, 2, these are organic results, SEO results. So from every internet company like Google, Baidu, Yahoo, Bing, all the companies, all the search engines, they have some web master guidelines that you have to follow those guidelines while you're creating any kind of a product page or while you're writing any kind of an internet-based article or something. Okay. Now, if you pay attention to this one specifically, why Amazon is ranked at position number 2, page number 1, because they followed the guidelines, and there are other factors as well, known as SEO and all. And that's one of the reasons they get maximum number of hits, GSM, Arena, Amazon. And if you scroll down the page, there are websites, those are at page number 2. Typically, I don't think so anybody goes at page number 2 and check the product, right? Now, till the time, if you are Amazon or if you work for Amazon, there are millions of products. That's how people buy. And their core objective as a business is to sell, right? If you're not available here, or if your advertisements are not here, do you think Amazon will be able to sell or achieve their business goals? No. Now, who helped them to create these types of great product pages? Writers. Understood? First type of a business. So there are millions of companies out there, right? You're searching for a diet food. Then what do you get? You get Zomato. You're searching for McDonald's around you. You also get McDonald's, correct? Now, this is the way that you have to go ahead and create a product page. Can I get quick yes from all in the chat box? The first type of a business is clear to all that, okay, this is how it works. This is how people achieve their goals. This is how companies, those which are into online acquisition model, they work like this. And as a writer, my job is to go ahead and help them to achieve these goals. You're not responsible to sell, but you're responsible to help them in terms of selling. Now, lead generation companies. Have you ever applied for a job at Naukri.com? If yes, what Naukri is actually doing? They capture all the information from you, from your side. Let's say your academic background, where do you live, your marital status, your age, your schooling, your graduation college, your specialities, your hobbies and everything, correct? Now, they don't offer you any job. It's just that you have stored the database at Naukri.com. Then there is one HR consultant or education consultant, or not education, I'm sorry. There is one HR consultant. These guys buy the database from Naukri, and they also have some companies on board. They're hiring on behalf of that company. So if you are that eligible profile, they help you to schedule an interview. If everything goes well, they earn a commission after 2-3 months. That's the model, right? What's the job of Naukri here? How content writers are going to help them to finally get a job. Content writers, they create a brand around every topic, that if you're searching for XYZ type of jobs, you get Naukri, and then they ask you, why don't you update your profile, increase your chances of getting hired? Correct? This is one. Look at IIM skills. So while you were searching for content writing courses, let's assume you've been to other institutes and us. Nobody have asked you to buy the course immediately, right? We all have a model, attend online demo. In exchange to that, what have you given? Your name and email along with your phone number, correct? We asked you, okay, you can connect with the counselor, take online demo, download the brochure. Remember these things? But in exchange to everything, what have we captured from you? Your details, personal information. Now we know that you're searching for things related to content writing, right? Now our writers have not just written a content towards one topic, let's say content writing course. You might have also searched for content writing career. Is it good in 2021? Content writing income, content writing career options in India, best institutes in India. I hope you all have seen all these types of contents, and not just at, let's say, Google. You might have been to YouTube. You might have been to social channels. You might have been to the review site, let's say Quora. Am I right? Quick yes, no, maybe. Idea is, as a writer, the writer's role is that to create a presence and finally encourage you to go ahead and taste at least a free demo. Now that's the way model works. You as a writer again are not responsible to get number of sales. Your job is to create the presence for all these types of companies, to create the internet presence in front of the person when they're searching about it anywhere. Now, what we are trying to learn here, your writing profile in this type of a business is required to have great skills, that you should know where exactly my audience is. And then you can create that presence. Maybe your audience is only at Instagram. Then you're going to create what? Infographic based content, images based content, so that you can connect with them there on the Instagram channel. Maybe they are only at Reels or IGTV. IGTV is at no more, but it's just that maybe you're just supposed to go ahead and create the 30-second short videos. So that's the way writers, they write script, they create videos, they help these video developers to go ahead, create a unique content, engaging content. Second set of a business is also clear. Quick yes from all in the chat box. Very good. Can I take a sip of warm water, please? Okay, thank you. Second thing, now let's understand the third type of a business, why writers like you are hired for companies, big organization, majorly, they actually achieve these goals. You might have seen any incidents happens. Zomato, they create a very great movement-based marketing campaign. You might have seen. So the creative team, the background team of these guys, they're very creative. They're very unique. They actually go ahead and create that movement-based marketing. With that, they create a lot of social media buzz. Another great example. Now there is like Diwali on 4th of November, right? Now you might have seen Cadbury. It's a big company, right? Cadbury is running a lot of great emotional connect-based storyline thing to you guys, that is connecting you with your family members, friends. And what are they doing? They're actually connecting you towards a box of 100 rupee or 150 rupee, the chocolate pack which they sell, so that you can, let's say, if you go out to do a Diwali shopping, and there are other festivals as well. If you see Cadbury, you should feel comfortable that let me pick one for myself or one for my family member. Their idea is not to sell you that 10 rupee chocolate online. Neither they're asking you to give phone number so that somebody can go ahead and counsel you that this Cadbury chocolate is better than other chocolate brands in the market. That's the beauty, right? So writers, what they do, they help them to reach out to masses in a way. And we see content writing can be done for video, right? Content writing can be done for text. Content writing can be done for podcast, voice-based platforms. And content writing can be done for social platforms, for infographics, memes, and everything. That's the way it works, okay? It's all a writer who creates these types of content. Depending upon the organization, you actually pick these up. Now, the point is, as we are talking about big organizations, they develop brands. I'll give you another great example. You might have seen, if anybody is here from West Bengal region, May month, April month, there were elections in 2021. Till April, March, April, Feb, let's say, Feb, March, April, 2021. People, those who are living there in that particular region, and they have a little interest in politics as a subject. They were targeted by specific organizations or political parties for their chief minister faces to create that brand image of that person. They were reaching out towards a content, let's say this political person or a ruling person have done this for the state, or she or he has done these are the things, or these are the plans for the next 5 years. So that if you are one eligible voter, the day you have to go out and vote, you consider that party. That's the way it works. They actually feed you slowly, gradually that information. Elections are going to happen in the month of March in north part of India, Uttar Pradesh. You may see, or you might have even seen that there are a lot of good things about current ruling party, and the one that is actually going forward, they're planning to fight for the CM position. They also have good content based thing available. They're reaching out to their audience. So content writers helps them to in terms of achieving these goals to develop that brand. Majorly, if you look at the beauty of content, it is free. Majorly, because they know the behavior, and sometimes people spend on the advertisement part. I'll give you the last example around brand building, and then we will get into the next step. Okay. If you open your Google Chrome app, see, internet is now aware that each one of you who are online with me right now, they are interested in learning content writing. You go to your mobile device, open Google Chrome, the application. After the search bar, if you scroll down the page a little bit, you may get push notifications such as you may like to read or you may have missed, something like this. And the content that you're getting or they're recommending you to read is that, is content writing a great career? Types of content writing institutions from your city. You have never been to those blogs, but still they are reaching out to you. Anybody who has observed this, how good a content writing career is, content writing salary, content writing pay scale, content writing this, that, everything around content, types of content writing. Anybody who has observed this part on your mobile device, you're getting some kind of a recommendation to read any kind of those blogs. Sometimes you might have seen IM Skills blogs, sometimes our competitor blogs, sometimes some other blogs around content writing. What exactly that thing is? A content writer created a blog. Now we are aware that whenever person related to this subject will search engine will go ahead and push, because the content that we have created is unique, better, and it gives valuable information. Understood, guys? Yes, no, maybe. So these are three core objectives. Now, majorly, these are three. I would say 99% of businesses out there in the market fulfill from these types of, or they are looking forward to achieve these types of things. But in rare occasions, let's say if you're going to get a job at a publication house, let's say TOI, let's say you're going to get a job at a newspaper, you're going to get a job at any book publication house or such type of a company, then you have a very specific role. Then you're maybe just supposed to write a PR for the company or people. Maybe you're just supposed to go ahead and help people to do proofreading or publish a book, or you may help them to write a book. So depending upon the businesses, you're going to work accordingly. Now, these are three core areas wherein every brand is looking forward to fulfill. Now we are aware that what market outside will expect me to do, correct? As a writer, you are now aware that what market outside will expect me to do. Now let's learn based on your objectives, what it takes me to go ahead and get that particular thing, a job, career in freelancing, or a full-time business. And to address this, let me understand the 15 people online with me right now. Why are you here? What would you like to achieve? A job? Would you like to start with a freelancing career? Or you would like to set up an agency? What do you have in your mind? If you are going to help me to learn this part, I will help you to overall understand how to go ahead and learn content writing, so that if you're going to get this, or if you're going to learn this thing, you should be ready with the job part. You are going to get that part. So my friend Ishani says, I would like to get a job. Sridhar says to start an agency. Sanjana says a job. Mohammed says a job. Arvind would like to write a book. Others? Sangeeta says job. Suhail says job. Very good. This time, big percentage of people are here. Priya to set up a business. Very good. Very good. Freelancing for Bhushan. Very good. Very good. Let's learn. All right. To upgrade my sales and use it for earning for self-identity for Debashri. Very good. Very good. Sanchita, to be a freelance writer. Very good. Okay. Let's go ahead and learn one by one. I will first talk about job part, and I request everyone to pay attention to this thing. Okay. This is important. Guys, before I start, before I give an explanation around job part, businesses part, let me be clear, honest, and genuine, authentic with everybody. We are all sellers here. Me, the other organizations, the person you are speaking with, their counselors and all, they are all here. They're all selling you. I'm also selling you. In the class today, this orientation, what's my core objective? If you check my background, I'm here to make Priyangana my student, Sanchita my student, Debashri my student, right? That's my core objective. In this class today, I am going to help you to understand the real figure of content writing industry. If you actually think that there is something left or something right, no, that is what it is. And I'm going to help you to understand the real expectations that you can keep from this particular program or any program in the market. Whatever I will create around that it takes to get this job, believe me, that is what it takes to get a job. Otherwise, there are no shortcuts, there are no long-term things that you can plan and get a job. Rest, except me, I'll be honest, straight and again blunt. I don't want your money if you're not ready to go ahead and give this industry this much time. Remember one thing, the guys you're speaking with over a call, their core job is to sell. That's their job. So pay attention, because this is, I don't want, if you're going to spend your 3-4 months with the money to anywhere, you should know that how I am going to get that particular thing. Okay. So first I want to learn from Meenakshi and then get a job. Okay. Guys, content writing is also known as organic marketing. Anybody who is aware about it? If no, that's okay. There are two ways on the internet businesses works. One are paid ads, other are organic based businesses. Organic is slow like hell. There are no guarantees of the results. Remember this, no guarantee. And only lucky 8 to 10 people get a chance to show their content to their targeted audience. If it is social media, hardly 1% of the engagement part is there. I know some words that I'm saying, maybe those are like jargons for you guys to accept. Let's say if you have 100 followers at your social media channel, only one will see the content, because that's how social media platforms are today. Understood? Organic means without spending a money, it's just your content and you're going to get into the market. Paid ad requires a lot of money. You as a copywriter will help organizations to achieve their goals in this particular part. Understood? If you observe any organization, those who are into online based model, they can use paid ads as well and organic marketing as well to get a client. We have seen an example of Amazon. Lead generation company can also go ahead and use paid ad as well and other platforms for organic marketing to finally get a client. We have seen that as well. Brand building companies can use all the platforms. They have a lot of money and they would like to achieve their goals as soon as possible. They can also use paid ad as well as organic marketing. Am I correct? You're all able to align? A quick yes from all in the chat box. You're all able to align yourself. Very good. Now the point here is we are talking about a job. I am not sure when I am graduating from any institution, a company like Amazon for an online sales thing will hire me. A company like IM Skills will hire me. A company like, let's say, Nestle will hire me. I'm not sure. Correct? Anyone can come and hire me depending upon their models. Now, what it takes to get a job? Portfolio. Now, Vaibhav, explain me what portfolio is. That's the most important part. A portfolio is basically the kind of digital work you have done. This includes you are writing as an author at least at 10 to 15 different sites with active, let's say 100 plus articles. If it is about a book, because I'm not sure, maybe a publication house may hire me, right? If you are talking about that you're writing or you know how to write a book, it should be published. You should write for big platforms like Times of India. You know how to do PR, and you should have PR released at some of the news channel. If you're here, and let's say if it is about ads part, you know how to run copywriting or ads copy, how to create them using tools like Facebook ads, Google ads, all the things. Plus, you must know infographic, based of things, so that you know how to go ahead and create good, unique content if it is around social media. Because I'm unsure that which all type of companies are going to hire me. Correct? Anyone can come from any point of view or from any background to hire you, right? Now, this portfolio is must. Now, it's definitely easy for me to go ahead and mention 100 plus articles for 10 to 15 different sites, writing a book for around 5,000 to 30,000 pages, writing for TOI, releasing a PR, and doing rest of the stuff that we actually go ahead and do here in our training program. All these things hands-on. Now, a lot of people believe that, okay, this is something a 1 month course and I'm good at it. No, it takes around 4 months to 5 months to execute everything that I've mentioned here. And you only get this part here. No other institution out there will help you to develop a portfolio. After my orientation, ask Shiva for a list of people, or go to LinkedIn, just write IM skills in the search bar, enter, and then see number of people who have achieved their goals and what are they doing. Without it, it is difficult that you can land anywhere. So in the program, you are going to learn everything. How? I will talk about it in next 2-3 minutes, not right now. Plus, you're going to execute everything, and it requires a lot of hard work. I repeat, when I say a lot of hard work, yes, you need to devote good amount of time for next 4 to 5 months so that your portfolio is ready. And then once you are out to apply to get a job, you get job immediately once you are done with the course. And once you have a good portfolio, people can simply go ahead and trust you, because if you're writing at Times of India, your book published, you already have published a book that's live. They can see your knowledge panel done. They can see that you have 100 plus article. You're writing for big companies. You're writing for every platform. That's big enough. And that's what stands for a portfolio. And this is what people ask. Are you all clear? Quick yes, no, maybe. Without it, it's not possible. Those who believe that it's easy that I'm going to do it, please content write. And if you're in an immediate need of a money, let's say you want a 1 month course and you need a job, this course is not for you. You need to really give at least 4 months of a good amount of time for hard work. And if you're ready, I give you a promise on a recorded line, sue me if that doesn't happen. Once you are going to complete a course, if you're not going to get a job, complete money refund. Sue me if that happens. Okay, you have the recorded line. It will go live after the session there on the YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to create about the next part around the job thing and all in next 2 minutes. Okay. And before this, I'm going to talk about the freelancing part. So those who are here to become a freelancer, I humbly request them, don't become a freelancer, start a business. There are no differences. Why? We will answer this part in the course. I just want to tell you that your brand positions in the market matters the most to get the most of the businesses. That's it. Just to keep it short, given we have less time. Why business and how to start a business? Let me address that part. A lot of people, they make one mistake. We teach 25 types of writing styles. At most of the places, people say that now 25 types of writing, you can offer every type of writing services to the people. Second mistake they do is that they believe freelancing sites are there. And as a freelancer.com, odex.com, these sites, they will go and get the work. Now, come on, understand. There are from the world, not just India, from the world, I'm saying, more than 10,000 freelance writers, college students, everyone, those who are bidding there to get a work. Have you ever tried getting a work at freelance sites? Ever in your life? Have you ever registered yourself? Have you noticed this part, bidding and giving people a quotation? Is it easy? No, it is not. Am I right? And then people ask you, because see, 10,000 plus people are there. They're already doing that job. Now pay attention to what we have for you guys. Now, this is the secret ingredient that we use in our training program. And that's why we are successful. That's why people love Iron Skills. Pay attention. I know that you are a business owner, you would like to start a business. First and foremost, accept the fact it's not easy. You have to go ahead and spend 2x more hard work than this job person. Why? A job person, all he or she needs is a portfolio. All you need is portfolio, that I have done these types of works. With portfolio, you need to learn marketing. Without marketing, nobody will actually ever reach out to you. You must develop a sales skill. Are you getting my point? You must go ahead and understand delivery part. You must know the business proposals and everything. You must understand the finance. If you're going to get big companies or big contract, you must know the recruitment, the HR formalities and all. And now let me go ahead and talk about the secret ingredient. No matter what you would like to become, if you are here to get a job, we will prepare your portfolio to get a job. And if you're here to start with a business or freelancing, we are going to teach you all these things. Now let's understand how. That's the most important, interesting part. Now let's say there are students sitting in the arts class. One says, I would like to become a lawyer. Again, a student in the arts class would like to say, I would like to become a chartered accountant. Another student in the art class says that I would like to become a doctor. I believe only one of these guys can achieve one objective, right? Lawyer thing is still possible. Arts, from arts, CA one cannot become a CA or doctor. Correct? Are you with me? Every institution out there, what are they doing? They have one course, right? And a promise is being made to everybody. If you're here to get a job, you will get a job. If you're here to start a business, you'll start a business. If you're here to become a freelancer, you will become a freelancer. In the end, what do you get? Thumbs up, nothing else. Pay attention to Iron Skills now. We know that you all have no idea how to write a content. We run a 1-month course to teach you all. Let's say you're a group of 30 people. You all will learn in 30 days 25 types of writing. Plus these types of writing, you will write and evaluation will done weekly. Before the next class, you will get the feedback. From whom? The faculty. So we know that you have no idea what types of writings are there. So, these all types of writing, as we have mentioned here, you're all going to do live hands-on. Understood? You'll write a blog, you'll start writing your book, 100 words a day. That's what we give 60 people, 60 days time, period, minimum to all to complete the book. SOPs, you're going to write PR, all such things. Okay. Now you all are at a same level. No matter from which background you were, now you are all at the same level. Then what we do, we have 3 months internship. Now this internship is not like that you're doing some real-time work for an organization. No, that's all crap. Pay attention. You are going to follow a 3 months internship here at Iron Skills, wherein you will learn further. Business people, they need to have a portfolio plus marketing skills. We are going to teach you that so that you can launch your business in the course. And a promise made, you will capture your first client from the internet, not from any freelance site in the training. Job people, all you need to go ahead and do is that launch your book, write for TOI, publish your articles at various sites and develop a portfolio. Once 3 months journey is done, we'll help you to schedule your interviews and you get a job. Now our delivery is personalized as per what people needs to achieve versus what we want to deliver. Are you all clear? That is how we deliver our courses. So that if you're here to get a job, a promise made, you will have your interview lined up. If you're here to go ahead and start with a business, you'll start a business. When? In the course. That's the beauty. So I'll answer this. Live projects are there. These are only live projects. When I say you will write at least 100 articles for other websites, those are live only. that will help you to develop your portfolio. We'll talk about it. Give me minutes. Understood? That is the beauty here at IM Skills. So if you're here to do something, you are going to achieve that. No false promises. Whatever is there, of course, you are the one who will execute. The more execution you will do, the higher income you can expect from the program or from the freelancing career or from the businesses that you're planning to start. All right. So I hope everybody is clear. Let's go ahead and talk about the second way that people can earn money in the affiliate world, in the content writing world. Have you ever heard about affiliate marketing? Anyone in the group? Anyone in this group have ever heard about what affiliate marketing is? Ishani says no. Okay, no problem. Those who have heard, great. Those who have never heard, again, great. Let me delete this part. Majorly, when you see anything there on the internet, I would say 99% of things are affiliated. Sometimes you buy stuff because people made you to buy. It was not your requirement. It was not something that was best. Maybe that's best, but they have also best giveaway for the affiliates, promoters like you. Have you ever given a thought around this thing? Why these people are creating every type of a video? Have you ever given a thought around this thing? Why somebody is writing any kind of a blog? How people make money from the blogging? Have you ever thought about something? If people are writing reviews, how people are making reviews? See, do you have that much time? You purchase a lot many things, right? Do you go back and write a review about everything? I don't think so. My own students, they don't write my reviews. I have to beg them, trust me, that please, you got your everything, write at Quora for me, write at this platform. Trust me, that's how we people are. Have you ever written any kind of a review? Until unless you're not dissatisfied. Whenever you are satisfied, you hardly go and actually write a review. Am I correct? That's how we are, right? Still, some people, they have their regular job to write a review. People, they even create an unboxing video. Am I correct? Why? Understand how internet works. You are aware 4 types of contents are there. Those are not paid reviews, Ishani. Understand? I'm going to help you to know this better process, okay? Companies out there, every company, they offer affiliate programs. What they actually do is that you are promoting them. There are 2 ways people can promote you. One way is influencer marketing. In the word of influencer, you have a lot of followers, let's say at social media sites. Then you're going to post something that gives people a good, let's say, brand visibility. Let's say Virat Kohli with 60 some million people on Instagram will post around something related to IM skills. That's a great thing for us. But in the case, if Virat Kohli is a writer and he writes about top 10 content writing courses in India, let's say this, and he ranks us at position 1, you click somewhere, and after clicking, you buy the course here. I am supposed to pay a commission, set commission to this person who has promoted. That's the way model is. I'll show you some of the stuff. Anything and everything that you see on the web is affiliated. Tell me, everyone in the group, have you made any kind of a purchase recently after researching about something from the internet? Let's say a laptop, let's say something. What was that? Mention that part, please. What have you purchased? Trimmer. What exactly you have written at the time while you were buying this trimmer? Can you mention the word, exact word, or words, I would say? The keyword. What was the search term you have used? Best trimmer in 2021. Any of these articles you might have clicked: Price Baba, Digit, New Indian Express, Suhail. If you can remember one of these. You did from YouTube. Any of these videos that you can recall? Was it this one, this one, this one? Was it this one? Let's assume, Suhail, that was this one.
What's up, guys?
This person have got around in 1 year 616 something this. Okay. And then he might have also asked you, you can go ahead and get the link. By any chance, have you clicked at these links to make a purchase? By any chance, let's say this, maybe. If yes, no. If you click here, right, $44 something, this URL is affiliated. After this particular thing, entire thing is affiliate URL. If you will buy $44 something, this guy will earn 5% commission, almost around 200 rupees. And they have millions of videos like this, and people usually buy. Meenakshi says best washing machine, best automatic washing machine. I'm sorry. Let me, best automatic washing machine. You might have been to these articles, these. Am I correct? Top 10, top 15. Every article listed here is with the affiliated URL. And people make huge money. Now see, this is affiliated. From their side, they're giving you the best information, no doubt. But if you will make a purchase here, this guy will get on this particular product, 10% commission is there. 1,600 rupees is what he will earn. Now, let me help you to learn some maths here. Or let's say, let's do some analysis for this website. This particular blog writes about best air conditioner, cooler, fryer, purifier, and all home-based appliances. Correct? You guys can also see. How much do they receive as a traffic? There are companies, those who pay around 100% commission. If you're buying their 100 rupee course, they will give you 100 rupee as the commission because they have lifelong income from those guys. That's why first year income they give to their affiliates. Bridge. 280,000 hits monthly. After writing how many articles? Let's count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Until body massage, 20. Until men's in India, 40. Until grinder in India, 60 articles. Until free refrigerator, 80 articles. Until recommended TDS for RO, 100 articles. And then round about 118 articles. This website, the website that has a name, Energy Conversion Device, one of our friend Meenakshi, she has recently made any kind of a purchase here, drives 2.8 lakh visits on a terms like best AC, best cooler, best this, best that. They are buyers. They want to buy this product. That's why they're searching. After writing 118 articles, ideally, what do you think? What do you think ideally would be a conversion in the percentage? 1%, 2%, 3%, 4% people will buy, 3%, 7%, 10%. If somebody is searching for a content writing course, or if somebody is searching for something best of something, that person has a clear-cut objective to buy that. Correct? What do you think in the percentage? Give me the figure in the chat box. That I think that 2% people are buyers. I think 5% people are buyers. In the chat box, all. It's okay. You can be wrong. Amazon gives for kitchen appliances 9% commission. TV, computer, electronics, 5% commission. Large appliances, again, 5%. You can see the list of things here. Quick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever percentage you think, put that in the chat box, guys. And it is okay, you can be wrong. I'm not expecting a right answer. In fact, I can also be wrong here. Farheen Taj says 10%, 20%. Arvind says 7%. Others in the chat box. Give me any number, Arvind. Give me every number, Bhushan, Debashri, Dharini, Ishani. 5 to 9%. Okay. Let's not calculate based on big numbers. I'll say 1% people are buyers. 2,800 people. Now see, they are earning 9% commission and they're selling an ideal cost of around, ideal cost that they're selling is for 16,000 to 20,000 rupees product. So it's like 10%, like 2,000 rupee commission. If I'll tell you that they earn 2,000 rupee, that's almost like how many dollars? $2,000, sorry, INR to USD. How much it goes? $26 is what they earn. No. I would not like to blow your mind right now. I'll say that they hardly make $2 per sale. Understood? 2,800 people are buyers. $2 per sale is what they earn. It's like 5,600. 5,600, right? 5,600 USD is what this blog makes. 5600. Almost 4,20,000 rupees bare minimum without doing anything after writing 118 articles. This person must be making. That's bare minimum. Are you clear? Able to relate? Now, what it takes to write these 118 articles? Hard work, patience, good understanding of SEO, and you must have a skill around affiliates. Do we teach? Yes. I was an affiliate marketer before I started IIM Skills. I still run my site name Advisor Uncle Course Deco, and I still sell other courses of the IIM Skills program that we have, and a lot many other channels that we run. But the whole idea is, can you repeat this part? Suhail asked me which part. So what I'm just trying to tell you that affiliate marketing is not for the people who are here to make it as an active source of income. It should always be passive. Because I have a belief that till the time you don't have a power to control anything, that's not yours. So in the affiliate game, if you're going to put a lot of hard work, in the end of the day, it's your organizations, though they will decide that what you get. The last part you have just explained. Do we teach affiliate or not? This one or any other thing? Okay, you can put that in the chat box. I'm going to address that. I have calculated here, Suhail, 1% conversion for this particular 2.8 lakh people. It's like 28. I am unable to get that. Relax. I'll call you after the class. Okay. Or I'll allow you to unmute yourself and you can talk. Let me complete first. So I have given a calculation here for 2.8 lakh some people. All right. And 1% was a commission. 2% is what are they earning in the program overall. So it's like 5,600 USD that I've converted, and the figure was around 4 lakh. I wanted to mention something. Anything and everything that you see on the internet, they are affiliated. You see those weight loss programs from these big or small TV celebrities even, they are also making you to buy some products. All right. Now, how it works, that's the way it works. You check, let's say, I wanted to buy iWatch. So I was just watching for iWatch SE, let's say unboxing. Let's say the first video if we get. They're selling their merchandises here. Plus, in the video, they will tell you best things. Can you see here? Every link, Apple case for Amazon, protector, every link here is affiliated. After this question mark, everything is affiliate URL. Can you see link code? You search for any course. Let's say best machine learning courses. Now Medium is not affiliated. Not affiliated. This is affiliated. Affiliated. Not affiliated. Quora is not affiliated. This is affiliated. This is affiliated. Click anywhere. Now, big colleges also have affiliate programs. Stanford University, Udemy, Purdue. Click anywhere. Sign up. Medium partners, link share, Campion. You can see this. You know what's the percentage they give? Educational courses, 10 to 15% commission. I've been an affiliate. I'm of course an affiliate with my site like Advisor Uncle for my Udemy, Coursera, all these courses we also sell. If we have a course that we offer, we of course promote our own training program. Otherwise, every link that we also provide here, it's affiliated with the other organizations. Udemy ads we're running here. Clear? So now let's go ahead and overall understand the next part of our training. Now, why IM skills? That's important to understand, right? There are so many institutions out there delivering the same kind of or similar kind of a course. Our course is 100% objective driven. If you're here to get a job, you will develop a portfolio and get a job. If you're here to start with a business, you'll launch that business in the course, and a promise made, you'll get your first client from your hard work and the training itself that you will capture from the internet. 100% practical training, and throughout the course, trainer support, no mediator between you and me and the other faculty. We are going to be connected on the WhatsApp. If you're stuck, 100% help required. And whenever it is required, your faculty will be there over a call or over whatever it takes, Zoom, phone, email, and you'll get a solution immediately. You get lifetime support plus LMS access for the lifetime. This is a LMS. You can check classes recording. You can check everything here forever. You can simply go ahead and download all the brochures, everything, all the plugins for multiple websites and all. You're doing our course in, let's say, October 2021. You would like to repeat next year, again next year, again next year, and again next year. You can do that 100 times without paying even a single rupee. Given digital content keeps changing, you will get free of cost learning for the lifetime. The rest are all selling pitch. I would not like to get into that. A little briefing around the course part. So it's overall a 26 hours lecture training program with 110 hours of hands-on exercises with a live project. The class is held every Sunday, 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. starting from 31st of October. 31st October is what we are starting with the batch. Let me write this here for you guys. It's every Sunday from 10 to 2 p.m. All right. And now it is good. Then the internship is for 3 months. There are 10 lectures for the internship, again on Sundays only. The time for those classes are 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. You get recording of every class. Even if you miss, you can have lifetime access for the LMS. You will have recordings available with you. You can repeat the course 100 times if you want. The course fees is 12,900 plus 18% tax. And I'm afraid about 31st October, only 2 seats are left. We will open the window for people, those who are planning to launch or get enrolled for 31st October. Otherwise, 28th of November is the next batch. You can get yourself on board accordingly. 1, 2, 3, things are clear. Once you complete the course, we give you a guarantee for the interview. That's it. We will guarantee for the interview. You have to clear the interview. We are hiring for, at the moment, India's rank 1 agency, content writing agency. And that's Contentaholic. You can even check. And similar like that, we hire for various big brands, mid-size organization and all. Depending upon when you're graduating, who's hiring, we're going to do that. Business people, we will help you to go ahead and launch your business. Our support will be there to you guys forever. Now, this is how the overall course is. All right. Now, the window is open to ask questions. Until 4:05, I'm online. All right. People who are planning to start with this batch, 31st October, don't ask me any question. Only for the 2 seats, this link is valid. Get yourself on board. And this, once it is over, I have to shift you in the 28th November batch. Okay. So first, register yourself if you have a plan to, and then ask your questions. And those who are planning to go ahead and start with 28th November can start asking questions. If you're planning to leave the session, you can leave your feedback. How was your experience with me? And now I'm ready to take your questions and I'll answer them. What is registration fee? Overall 15,222. Suhail, you wanted to ask something. I think last time I was unable to understand the question part. Even if you want, you can talk to me. Thank you, Priya. Glad you really liked it. What is the level of English proficiency required to get the course done? Uh, if you rate yourself 7, good. Then tools like Hummingway app, Grammarly, and all that in terms of writing will help you to improve. Moreover, you will write very confidently, grammatically, well taken care articles. So don't worry. Bhushan. There is a saying 10,000 hours of practice makes you a pro. So the more you will write, the better you will become. Simple. We all were at the same stage years back. I was not available at home due to the hospital. Take demo as a reach instantly. I switched on Zoom, but fortunately, I passed 15 minutes already, so I didn't get few things. Meenakshi, I'll ask Shiva to get in touch with you. He'll help you to understand. Even if you would like to talk to me, feel free. If someone is good at poetry or interested in poetry, is there any way to leverage this other than putting out? Okay, I'll explain you. A lot of people, they come back and say this part for home. There are channels, but people don't buy poetry online, right? Nor a book around it. Even if there are few, maybe. The monetization can only be done with one way. You can run AdSense and all, but again, that's very small amount of money people earn. I recommend that keep poetry as your passion or your hobby. To make good money out of something, get into the real-time business work. So he'll say, I want to register for the next batch like November, then how much have to pay for the registration? So, well, if you mean to say that, can you pay half right now and pay balance after some time? That is also possible, only for November batch. Yes, you can speak with Shiva. He'll guide you further. Shiva, take care of the same, please, if you're online. To reserve this seat, you can do that. No problem. Looking forward without a problem. Others, please, you can ask your questions in the chat box, and I'm online for the next few more minutes. I hope you all enjoyed this class with me. Ishani, thank you. You are on board. Received your this thing. I published 4 books. Will that enhance my portfolio without a problem? Which platform have you published those books? Kindle? So well, glad you liked it. Publishing a book is very, very good to give you a great authority in the market. No matter how, let's say depth of a book you have, or let's say how lengthy the book part is, but yes, it is. Very good, Ishani. You must have got your knowledge panel as well. I'm sure about it, Ishani. If you have Ishani Bhattacharya. You didn't get the knowledge panel so far. You must get it. I mean, if you have your book live, Google creates this knowledge panel for you. This helps you to even gain further around your authority. Let's say when you Google a term, best content writers in the world, Google has given a knowledge panel like this. Suhail Dada. Uh, this one. Knowledge panel I'm talking about, that's a different thing. Sure, Arvind. Sure, Bhushan, glad, no problem. Okay, guys, seems like your questions are done now. I wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. As requested, as shared, feel free to get yourself on board. You can get yourself for the November batch. The onboarding process will start by 5 p.m. today. Get yourself on board. And those who are still planning, I am left with the last seat given Ishani is enrolled. So one seat left, you can come on board at the earliest. Thank you, Priyangana. Glad you liked it and looking forward to joining this particular program. Okay, then allow me to say goodbye to everybody. As I have created last seat, get yourself on the board, please. Priyangana, are you planning to target 31st October?